Hey guys, the time has come for this car to go. It's a sad day. God, I love this car. It's actually perfect, but an offer was made on it, and I think it's time to move on to something else that hopefully you guys won't be disappointed in. I'm not gonna reveal that yet, but this is the last day with the car before it gets shipped out to the new owner. And I'm just taking it all in right now. Yeah, I don't really know what to say, but this car never got old, never got bored of looking at it, never got bored of driving it. But like I said, something new is coming, and I think it's gonna be just as good. A little different. It's gonna be a little different. I want you guys to comment below on what you think the new car is. What's your guess? Is it another Lamborghini? Switching over to Ferrari or McLaren? This V12 is everything though. Cannot beat the V12. I don't care how fast your car is. Your car does not sound like this or feel like this. The emotions you get from the Aventador SVJ are indescribable. It has to be felt in person. For those of you that don't like the single clutch, after you go in it and drive it, you will think differently. But I wanted to do a quick video on the last day with the car, and the reveal for the new car is coming to the channel, so stay tuned. We still have this one. We still have this one, so still got some Lambos in the garage. Guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, please. I'll keep posting. And stay tuned in the next week or two. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but within the next 2 weeks, we'll do the reveal for the new car. Again, comment below on what you think the new car is. See you guys.